Hello everyone and welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to use ZeeDrop, a powerful tool designed to automate and streamline your eBay and Facebook Marketplace dropshipping business. In this video, we'll walk you through all the features and functionalities of ZeeDrop and show you how to leverage its automation capabilities to enhance your dropshipping operations. ZeeDrop is an affordable Chrome extension that simplifies listing products, managing messages, and coordinating with multiple suppliers, helping you save time and boost efficiency in your business. Let's begin by understanding what ZeeDrop is and how it can benefit your dropshipping endeavors. ZeeDrop is a powerful cross-listing app designed specifically for dropshippers and resellers. It allows you to manage and synchronize your inventory across multiple marketplaces such as eBay and Facebook Marketplace seamlessly. Firstly, let's discuss the setup process. To get started with ZeeDrop, you'll need to sign up for an account on their website. Once you've signed up, you can log in to the ZeeDrop dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing all aspects of your dropshipping business. Next, let's explore how to connect your eBay and Facebook Marketplace accounts to ZeeDrop. In the dashboard, navigate to the Settings or Accounts section where you'll find options to link your marketplace accounts. Follow the prompts to authorize ZeeDrop to access your eBay and Facebook Marketplace accounts securely. Once your accounts are connected, you can start cross-listing your products. ZeeDrop simplifies this process by allowing you to list products from one marketplace to another with just a few clicks. Within the ZeeDrop dashboard, you'll find several sections. Dashboard. View your most recent listings and products. Filter items by title, price, or source website. Export all listings to Excel for better organization. Quick messages. Set up automated responses for customer inquiries on platforms like Facebook Marketplace and Etsy. Orders. Track orders placed using ZeeDrop's copy address feature. Export order details for further processing. Affiliate. Monitor affiliate referrals and earnings if you're part of ZeeDrop's affiliate program. Now, let's dive into the robust features of ZeeDrop, an indispensable tool for streamlining eBay and Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. Let's explore how ZeeDrop enhances your dropshipping efficiency and effectiveness. One standout feature of ZeeDrop is its integration with Mega Sale Boot, a powerful research tool for discovering high-potential products. This tool allows dropshippers to conduct detailed market research, identify winning products, and seamlessly import them into ZeeDrop for listing across supported platforms. Another key feature is the ability to create and save templates for product descriptions directly within the ZeeDrop extension. This feature simplifies the listing process by allowing users to predefine listing templates, ensuring consistency and saving time with every product upload. ZeeDrop supports multiple regions including the US, UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, and more. This broad geographical coverage enables dropshippers to reach diverse markets and capitalize on international sales opportunities. For efficient management of product variants across different platforms like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay, ZeeDrop allows users to create multiple listings effortlessly. Each variant can be optimized for its respective marketplace, maximizing visibility and sales potential. Virtual assistants, VAs, can utilize ZeeDrop to list products without needing direct access to your Facebook or other marketplace accounts. This feature enhances security and allows for seamless collaboration with remote teams, scaling your dropshipping operations effectively. With ZeeDrop, renewing listings is as simple as a single click. This feature ensures that your listings remain active and competitive without the need for manual intervention, saving you valuable time and effort. Bulk price change functionality within ZeeDrop empowers users to adjust product prices across multiple listings simultaneously. This capability is crucial for responding swiftly to market trends or supplier price changes and maintaining profitability and competitiveness. ZeeDrop's fixed tags feature enables users to categorize and tag listings systematically. These tags streamline inventory management, making it easier to track, sort, and analyze product performance across different platforms. Lastly, ZeeDrop monitors supplier prices in real time and notifies users of any price increases or decreases. This proactive monitoring helps drop shippers make informed decisions, ensuring competitive pricing and maximizing profit margins. ZeeDrop offers two distinct pricing plans tailored to meet the varying needs of dropshippers: the monthly plan and the annual plan. The monthly plan is priced at $17 per month. This option provides flexibility for users who prefer a month-to-month payment structure without a long-term commitment. Subscribers to this plan enjoy full access to ZeeDrop's suite of features, including the Mega Sale Boot research tool, template creation for descriptions, multi-region support, including US, UK, CA, DE, AU, and more. The ability to create multiple listings for each variant across platforms like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay, and the option for virtual assistants to list items directly through ZeeDrop without needing access to your Facebook account. Other features include one-click renewal of listings, bulk price changes, fixed tags for efficient organization, and notifications for supplier price fluctuations. Alternatively, the annual plan costs $204 per year, which averages to approximately $13 per month. Opting for the annual plan offers significant savings of over 35% compared to the monthly subscription. This plan is ideal for users committed to long-term use of ZeeDrop, providing them uninterrupted access to all features throughout the year. Right now, the annual plan is priced at $155 a year. Both plans ensure that dropshippers have access to ZeeDrop's comprehensive automation tools and support services, empowering them to efficiently manage their dropshipping operations across eBay and Facebook Marketplace. The choice between the monthly and annual plans ultimately depends on your business strategy, budget considerations, and the level of commitment to utilizing ZeeDrop's robust features over time. ZeeDrop provides robust support options for users through its Contact Us feature and an extensive FAQs section. The Contact Us feature is designed to offer direct assistance to users who have specific inquiries or encounter issues while using the platform. Users can access this feature typically through the ZeeDrop dashboard or website. By filling out a contact form or reaching out via email, users can expect prompt responses from ZeeDrop's customer support team. This personalized support helps address technical issues, billing inquiries, or any other concerns that users may have, ensuring a smooth experience while using the dropshipping automation tools. In addition to direct support, ZeeDrop maintains a comprehensive FAQs section on its website. This section serves as a knowledge base where users can find answers to commonly asked questions and solutions to common problems. The FAQs cover a wide range of topics, including how-to guides, troubleshooting steps, subscription details, and feature explanations. This resource is invaluable for users seeking quick resolutions or looking to deepen their understanding of ZeeDrop's functionalities without needing to contact support directly. Together, these support features ensure that ZeeDrop users can navigate their dropshipping endeavors confidently. Whether through direct communication via the Contact Us feature or self-help through the FAQs section, ZeeDrop remains committed to providing accessible and effective customer support to enhance user experience and maximize efficiency in dropshipping operations. In conclusion, ZeeDrop offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to optimize every aspect of your eBay and Facebook Marketplace dropshipping business. I've included the link to ZeeDrop and any other relevant tools and platforms in the description below, so you can check them out. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next one.